Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to post a job in Freelancer account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Freelancer account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Freelancer app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Tap on that plus icon option. Here I go. Now you have to choose a name for your project. Here I will be typing content creator. Now you have to tell more about your project here, a little bit description about your project. After you are done, tap on next. Here you can add some skills required for the job, but it is already there, then you can tap on next. Now you have to tap on post a project. Now you have to choose how do you want to pay. Here I will be choosing pay by the hour basis. Now you have to set the estimated budget. Here I will be choosing basic. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to tap on standard project. Now you have to tap on next. Now you have to tap on yes to post my project on that pink icon. Your project has been posted. In this way you can post in a Freelancer account for the job vacancy. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.